back to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. So today let's learn how to print our new sublimation stainless steel color can coolers. And I'm going to pick this yellow one because it's my favorite color. And I'm going to print a pattern right on the middle of it using this mark press. Because as we all know, the vibrant colors are just more suitable for partial printing. But if you prefer full printing, you can choose our can coolers in full silver and full white, which are the perfect base colors for full sublimation printing. And we have also made a printing tutorial about it. You can go to the comments below to find the video link. So now, without further ado, let's see how to print this yellow one using this mark press.